Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we saw that the price line of Bitcoin formed a bearish reversal pattern on the daily time frame chart, and that is the formation of this rising wedge. And now we can see that the price line of Bitcoin is breaking down the support of this pattern, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price action will break down this support or it will be moved back inside this rising wedge again. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and you can also follow me at the Patreon for more ideas I am sharing there on the daily basis. I've shared the link in the video's description. Now first of all, before this rising wedge, I want to show you this previous move of this symmetrical triangle, and we saw previously that the price action was moving between the resistance and the support of this symmetrical triangle. And finally here we had a fake out, and then the price action broke out this resistance of this symmetrical triangle, and the previous resistance turned into the support, and the price action retested the previous resistance as a support and moved to the upside and broke out this next price level resistance. That is really very important. In my previous videos I've been telling you that we need to be above this price level resistance of $39,500, and here we had indeed a closing above this $39,500 price level resistance. But while the price action moved back again to retest this previous resistance as a support, like the price action retested the previous resistance as a support here and moved to the upside. But here, while retesting the previous resistance as a support, the price action could not save this support and move to the downside, and now we are moving down. And while moving down, the price action after this breakout from this triangle, while moving up and down, the price action formed this rising wedge pattern that I showed you in my previous video as well. And I told you that this time we have a better situation, because this time the price line, after a long time, after 12th of May, first time the price action has broken out this 25 simple moving average here, and now we also have this 25 simple moving average support at this time. Therefore, if the price action will break down this support of this rising wedge, first let me clear it that this is I am showing you on the daily time frame chart. Therefore, we can decide on the daily time frame chart's closing. If we will have the closing below this support, then we can consider that this support has been broken down. If you take a look at the small time period chart on the 4-hourly chart, then we are outside this wedge. However, on the daily time frame chart, that is more firm, and I think that will be more realistic to watch it on the daily time frame chart. In this situation, while the price action has found a very strong support at $30,000 and forming the different patterns on the daily time frame chart, then we should take a look at the daily time frame chart rather looking at the small time period charts, because there is more possibility on the small time period charts that they will give us the false signal, and on the daily and on the long-term charts we can have the firm signals. Now here I told you in my previous video that we have this 25 simple moving average support this time. So if the price action will break down this support of the rising wedge, then we should need for this support to be broken down. And we can see at this time this 25 simple moving average, you can watch the value here, is at $37,131. Therefore, if we will have the daily closing below this level, then we can move more down. Even we can move in this level as well to retest this support approximately at $30,000, and we can see that so far only one time the price action on this candlestick hit the $30,000 support, and after that sometime it is moving from this level, like moving at the $31,000, sometimes like $32,000. However, for the better idea, we should use the volume profile on the complete price action from this candlestick where we found this support. We retested it. In fact, we retested the support, because if you take a look at the long time period, like the weekly time frame chart, we already have found a support previously at $30,000, and then the price action rallied to the upside before the month of April. Now here we can see that the price action, I'm just going to place this volume profile from this candlestick where we found the support again and to the current candlestick. Then we can see that this is the area where the traders are most of the trading, or they're more interested to trade the Bitcoin. Like if I place this trend line here, then this is the level approximately at 39,000, approximately the same level, $39,500 that I told you that is our next price level resistance as well. And to the downside, we have the trader's interest approximately at $35,000. This is the support you can call, and this is the maximum extent where the traders to the downside are interested to trade. And this is the most traded area, and we have the point of control of this volume profile that works as a center of gravity for the price action. Whenever the price action moves above the level where we have the weak interest of the traders, or move below the level where we have a very, very weak interest of the traders, the price action always moves back towards this point of control. And we can see whenever the price action is moving in this area where we have the weak interest of the traders, or like here, where we have the weak interest of the traders to the downside, the price action indeed is moving down back to this point of control of the volume profile. And this is a kind of a parallel channel formation as well. And even though we are having some long spikes, but if we place the moon phases indicator as well to have another better idea where the price action can move next time on the daily time frame chart, it works very well. Then we can see that the previous dark moon that shows where the bears can take the price action to the downside, we have this one. This is the new dark moon, and this one is the new full moon. And we can see that this dark moon is appeared where we have the real strong bodies of these candlesticks. So we can also drag this line down up to this level. That is approximately $35,500. So we can expect that this is $33,500. This level is. So we can see that the price action is moving to this level as well. Like we have the real body of this candlestick here, we have the real body of this candlestick here. If we ignore all these wicks of the candlesticks, so we can consider that this is the area where the traders are interested to trade. And you can see right now the price action is moved back at this point of control of the volume profile. And once we will have, you can see that the point of control is at the same level where we have this 25 simple moving average as well. So once the price action will break down this level, we will have the closing below the point of control and the 25 simple moving average. Then we can expect that the price action will move down to this level, or maybe we will have another spike to the downside, even up to this $30,000 very, very strong support. And at this time, the intellectual traders are accumulating more and more BTCs at this level. They're not waiting for the price action to hit the $30,000. Whenever you can see that the price action is moving at this level, they are accumulating more and more Bitcoins. Therefore, the price action is sometimes, even most of the times, before hitting the $30,000 level, we are having these spikes. These spikes are showing the buying whenever the price action is moving at this level, even above the $30,000. The traders are buying more and more Bitcoins at these levels, even at this support line as well. Therefore, we need first for the price action to close below this point of control of the volume profile, because it is possible that we will not have the closing below this level, and the price action will be moved to the upside from here, and it will start its move back inside this rising wedge, and it will again hit this resistance of the rising wedge. This time, this resistance of the rising wedge can be approximately at $43,000. However, if we will have the closing below this point of control and the 25 simple moving average, then the price action can retest this level, or maybe we will have another spike to the downside very close to $30,000 or the $30,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.